Have you ever tried to make vegan ice cream at home? It's super easy.
Here's how to make French vanilla banana ice cream.
Welcome back to Maxwell Baits.
So, to get started, you need to open up the Vitamix.
We'll have a link to the video in the video description to the materials and tools we use. We have 500 grams of bananas. These are very ripe ones. We froze them and then on a cookie sheet in the freezer. And we're just going to be putting them in here. And then we have 2 grams of French vanilla extract.
Okay, and now we're just putting the tampo in and the lid on.
And earmuffs are not necessary, but they're a very good idea to protect your hearing. Okay, so we're going to turn on the Vitamix and okay, so it's all done and it looks like this. It's pretty firm in there. If the ice cream doesn't fall out when you hold it over your head, you know it's set. It shouldn't come out. It has nice lumps. It'll scoop really nicely. We're going to be using mason jars. You can use a spatula or a spoon, and we're just going to pour it into the mason jar.
You can also use different dishes. It's whatever suits your fancy.
It's very much like soft serve right now. If you want it firmer, just put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes to an hour if your freezer is really strong. If it's not as strong or your freezer is really full, I would probably say an hour or hour and 30 minutes. And then you'll get very frozen ice cream like you would get in a standard container.
Also, in the comments, say what your favorite ice cream is that is vegan, or what's your favorite toppings.
If you get all the air pockets out, it won't oxygenate, and it also makes more room for ice cream. Okay, so we have one container almost filled, and then... Doesn't this look delicious? Okay, so we're back, and now we're going to taste it. Very creamy, very vanilla-y.
Very smooth, very delicious. And you can have this for breakfast.
You know what this reminds me of? When we were a kid, we always used to go to a frozen yogurt shop and they had vanilla frozen yogurt. That's exactly what this tastes like. You know, one of those machines that they swirl out in a cone? That's what this tastes like. It has the texture of.
It's phenomenal. I highly recommend you trying it and hopefully you enjoy it.
I'm Maxwell.
I'm Michelle.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Tap the little bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like if you liked it because it really does help. And have a nice day. Bye.